Growing on YouTube, strategies for small channels, and growing a small YouTube channel in 2025 requires more than just uploading videos and hoping for the best. Many new creators fall into the post and pray approach, uploading content without a clear plan, which rarely leads to growth. In today's crowded platform, over 20 million videos are uploaded each day. A strategic approach is essential for standing out. This guide dives into the core reasons small channels don't grow and how to fix them with a solid strategy and the perfect video recipe for every upload. We'll also cover extra insights about the YouTube algorithm and continuous improvement to help your channel thrive. Core reasons small channels don't grow. The biggest problem is lack of a clear strategy. Many small creators simply upload and hope without a growth plan, which leads to inconsistent or mediocre results. YouTube success isn't accidental. It comes from deliberate strategy. If your channel is stagnating, chances are one of these pillars is missing or weak. Clear focus, niche. Successful channels know exactly who their content is for and what problem or interest they address. If you don't define your target audience and niche, your content will be too broad or too unfocused to attract loyal viewers. Example, healthy 5-minute recipes for busy professionals will grow faster than a channel that mixes cooking, gaming, and vlogging. Strong packaging, idea, title, and thumbnail. Your video's topic, title, and thumbnail must work together to grab attention. This packaging drives click-through rate, CTR, and CTR is a critical ranking signal on YouTube. Don't just describe your video, my trip to Colorado. Frame it with intrigue. I lived in a mountain cabin for 7 days. Here's what happened. Top creators often say title and thumbnail matter just as much as the entire video. Consistent value, educate or entertain. Every video must provide value. Solving a problem, teaching something new, or entertaining. Ideally, a mix of education and entertainment works best. Value also includes emotional value, inspiration, laughter, or motivation. Right format and trends. Content format should match what's working on YouTube and fit your niche. In 2025, shorts are hugely popular and can be a growth hack. Some topics work better as longer video essays or live streams. Stay aware of platform pushes like YouTube promoting shorts to compete with TikTok. Bottom line, having no strategy is a strategy for failure. By defining your niche, optimizing packaging, delivering consistent value, and choosing the right formats, you create a strong foundation for growth. The perfect video recipe. 4 key ingredients. Even with a great strategy, growth happens video by video. Each upload should follow a proven recipe that maximizes clicks, engagement, and subscriptions. 1. Big idea, compelling topic, and angle. A successful video starts with a big idea, not just a general topic, but a specific, fresh angle. Titles and thumbnails must provoke curiosity or emotion. A broad idea like budget travel becomes much stronger with an angle like, I traveled to 5 countries on $100. Here's how. Specific, bold, or curiosity-driven ideas always outperform generic ones. On YouTube, the idea is everything. An average video with a brilliant idea beats a polished video with a boring premise. 2. Hook. Grab attention in seconds. You have 10 to 30 seconds or less to grab attention. The opening must immediately tell viewers what they'll get or tease something exciting. Skip long intros or generic welcome to my channel. Strong hooks can start with a surprising fact, a compelling question, or a preview of the most dramatic part of the video. If viewers aren't hooked early, they'll leave. 3. Content. Deliver value and maintain engagement. The main content must fulfill the promise of the title and hook. Get to the point quickly and avoid fluff. Keep the pace tight. No dull moments. Re-engage viewers midway with a new tip, twist, device, or story to keep retention high. Use editing, visuals, or B-roll to prevent drop-offs. Place calls to action, like subscribing or checking a link, at natural high-value moments, not only at the very end. 4. Transition, strong close, and next video tease. Don't end abruptly with, thanks for watching. Instead, guide viewers to another video on your channel, tease it with curiosity, and place clickable end screens. Example, now that you've learned how to grow tomatoes, check out my video on 5 tricks to pest-proof your garden. It fixes problems most beginners don't even know about. Good transitions increase session watch time and channel growth. Extra insights and tips. YouTube is viewer-driven, not channel-driven. The algorithm doesn't just push big creators, it pushes videos that satisfy viewers. A small channel's video can take off if engagement is strong. Focus on serving a clear niche audience better than anyone else. Double down on idea and hook. Spend more time refining your concept, title, and thumbnail than polishing effects. If no one clicks, the rest doesn't matter. Aim for continuous improvement. Don't expect overnight growth. Treat each video as a chance to improve by 1% in editing, retention, or packaging. These small gains compound into big growth after dozens of uploads. Remember, YouTube wants you to succeed. The platform thrives on great content, even from small creators. Be consistent, keep learning, and trust that if you serve viewers well, the algorithm will help distribute your videos. Conclusion. Growing on YouTube requires strategy, not just hope. Avoid the post and pray trap. Define a clear niche, package videos with irresistible ideas and thumbnails, provide consistent value, and follow the perfect recipe. Big idea, hook, content, transition. Pair this with patience and continuous improvement, and your channel can break through. Small creators do succeed every day, not because of luck, but because they focus on the right things. Video after video.